Good morning, boys and girls. This morning, I've asked you to have a look at 4 numbers and then decide which part of the number, which digit is the tens and how many tens are in the number and how many units are in the number. So the first number was 64. And a quick, easy way to do this, to remember it, is you can't do this without these flashcards, but if I show you it, then hopefully it can stick in your imagination, and when you say the number 64, you can remember it in your head that you split it up, and then it's easy to see how many tens and how many units, because it's exactly how you say it. So this number is 64, but with these cards we are able to do this. It's 60 and 4. And then the 4 units go over the 10. And remember that we can only go up to 9 units, because then after 9 comes 10. So we can't have 10 units. We can only go up to 9. So this again, 64, 64. So it's 6 tens and 4 units. It's not 60 tens, that would be 600. It's 6 tens is 60. Let's check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 tens are 60. So that's 64. The next one is 12. So let's have a look at that. So how many tens are in 12? That's right. 1 10 and 2 units. So 12 is 1 10 and 2 units. The next one, 47. Remember, it's exactly how you say it. 47. So let's start with the units. How many units in this number? Correct. 7 units and 4 tens. 47. And the last one for today is 88. So this one is 88. How many units? 8. How many tens? 8. 88. Right, now if we have a look at all of them, which 10 is the biggest? Correct. 80. 8 tens are much bigger than the rest of them. Which 10 is the smallest? Yes, that one, because it is only 1 10. So 1 10 is the smallest, 10, and 8 tens are the biggest, 80. 80 is bigger than 10. 10 is smaller than 80. Now, which unit is the biggest? 8 again. So this number is the biggest with the tens and the units. 8. And which one is the smallest unit? And this is a strange one, because the smallest 10 has the smallest units, 2 is the smallest unit out of 2, 4, 7, and 8. So 2 is the smallest unit, 10 is the smallest 10, 8 is the biggest unit, and 80 is the biggest 10. Right, we'll try these again later on in the week, and I hope that you can now see which is a 10 in the number and which is a unit. And remember that it's exactly how you say it. And then in your imagination now, you can picture these cards, and as you say it, let's try it once more. 47. You remember that that 40 looks like that, and the 7. And then you can say, aha, there's 4 10s and 7 units.